Let's take a look at the process to combine all open PDFs in Power PDF. You'll notice we have multiple PDF files open, and to combine those we simply click the Combine All Open Files button on the Home ribbon. That brings up the Combine Files dialog box, and as you can see those three PDFs are selected. Also notice that the file names will be added as bookmarks. So we'll go ahead and create a new PDF document. You can see that Power PDF has created a new document, in our case called Binder 2. We can scroll through the document and see that all three of our documents have been combined. If we take a look at the bookmarks, you'll notice the file names are now bookmarks within that new PDF, which can be used for easy navigation. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.